The stubborn occurrence of darkness around our elbows, knees, and underarms is a common concern for us women. So it's time we turn to good old remedies to bid these unwanted guests a farewell once and for all. We've all been guilty of not lathering sunscreen before heading out and leaving the process of exfoliation just for our faces. This gradual exposure to UVA and UVB rays and the buildup of dead cells over time, clubbed with using wrong skincare habits, results in the hyperpigmentation of areas that we generally overlook, like the underarms, knees, and elbows. So if you happen to be one of them, these remedies are just for you. When life gives you lemons, use them as a brightening agent. To use its bleaching properties, mix the juice of half a lemon with a tablespoon of gram flour, which is an excellent exfoliant and will help you scrap the dead skin cells away. To this, mix a pinch of turmeric, which is the secret weapon aiding in reducing melanin production. Apply this on the affected areas and wash it off after 20 minutes. Do this diligently twice a week to see a visible difference. If you have dry skin, dip half a lemon in some honey and scrub. You'll realize that it not only brightens uneven skin, but also leaves it feeling smooth and supple because of the moisturizing properties that honey has to offer. When we use a razor aggressively, our skin feels itchy. This constant friction causes small amounts of cuts that the skin replaces with repaired darker toned cells, which we know as hyperpigmentation. So make sure that you moisturize in the area with a gentle and natural formula like aloe vera. Apply a small amount of aloe vera that will soothe and condition the areas that are left sensitive post-shaving. When looking to brighten the skin, baking soda is your best bet. It has bleaching and exfoliating properties that help in reducing the melanin production. So to make the most of this, mix equal amounts of baking soda with milk, whose lactic acid helps lessen stubborn darkness. This 2-ingredient concoction can be massaged every day on your elbows and knees for best results. For your underarms, mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and you can even add in your favorite essential oil. Lightly massage this mix and leave it on for 15 minutes. The baking soda will exfoliate the dark patches away, while the antioxidants present in coconut oil will help evening out the skin. The essential oil will make sure that your underarms not only look but smell great as well. Yes, your morning brew is one of the most effective and powerful ingredients that has the ability to reduce the pigmentation on your skin and reveal brighter skin. Its granules are coarse that help strip away the accumulated dead cells that block the pores. All you need to do is mix equal parts of coffee with coconut oil and rub it onto your elbows and knees. Leave this mask on for 30 minutes and wash away. Do this once a week for silky, smooth, even skin. Sugar, an excellent exfoliant, sweeps away the dead cells and bacteria, aiding in skin and cell regeneration. It is also very gentle on the skin, therefore ideal for sensitive skin as well. For your elbows and arms, make a quick and easy scrub by adding 1 tablespoon of sugar to 1 tablespoon of honey. The honey moisturizes your skin and makes sure that the sugar can do its job. Do this thrice a week for 15 minutes for patch-free skin. So go ahead and use these simple ingredients to bid adieu to these dark devils that reside on your body. Let us know which of these scrubs you're going to be trying next. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.